Hello students, for the standard 7th we are going to look chapter number 11 your students preposition. So definition is given here students. What is meant by preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other verb or noun in the sentence. The cat sat on the chair. He is not fond of coffee. The boys are playing in the garden. Kinds of prepositions. Basically there are two types of prepositions students: simple preposition and compound preposition. Simple, which are such as at, by, for, from, in, on, out, through, till, to, up, with, etc. students. Okay, next, compound, which are generally formed by adding prefix to the word, such as prefix students, not suffix. Okay, across, along, amid, around, behind, inside, outside, underneath, within, without. These are the prefix. Put a box around the preposition in each of the following. We are going to do like this, underline students. Look, but she could be inseparable at time. At is your preposition students. Second number, hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti. For is a preposition. Third number, he was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Of is a preposition. Fourth number, she burst into tears and ran off. Into is the what? Preposition. They set off on the long journey back to the forest. On, to, these both are what? Preposition. We are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. To, for, by, these are the preposition. Seventh number, the door of the shuttle was open and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. So here, of, through, to, at, these are the preposition. Eighth number, they fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortably all the same time. At is the what? Preposition. The spectators were made so sit in the tent and circus was going on outside. So here, to and on are the both what? Preposition. 10th number, on the third day their teacher took them a place of historical importance. On and off both are preposition. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Off and on both are preposition. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by human on the moon. At, of, by, these three are the preposition. At any instant it could have dashed against our ship. At and against both are the preposition. Barely 20 feet separated for him from the motionless animal. From is the preposition. He would pronounce rabbit as a wabbit, as is a preposition students. At 13, however, he started working with a book binder. So here at and with both are the preposition. That day in 1812, Faraday was spellbound by Davis' lecture. In and by both are the preposition. 17th number, that day in 1812, this over students. Okay, destiny had a strange plan in store for him. In and from, these are the preposition. In 1840 he developed memory loss which continued for the rest of his life. So here, in, for and what of, these are the prepositions. Okay, look now, fortune favored the brave Faraday once again. Once is a preposition. As a great scientist, he met each difficulty with perseverance and convictions. So as and with are the preposition. Your speech has given as what us wonderful high insights on various aspects of art and culture. So on and art of both are the preposition. We are immensely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment. To, for and of are the preposition. He would sit for hours outside for what window. So for and outside are the preposition. He has developed his powder from a special herb in the Himalayas. From, in. I couldn't think of any banyan tree in our neighborhood. Often in are the preposition. And there was a banyan tree, its aerial roots swaying in the gentle breeze of the night. So here what in and of are the preposition. 20th number, Spalding urged Mr. Wilson to apply for the job. To and for the preposition, students. We had to wait there in total darkness without making any noise to take the criminals by surprise. In, without, by are the prepositions. Last, students, then with a sigh he settled in his big armchair. So with and in both are the what prepositions. So hopefully you are going to write this all exercise in your notebook, students, chapter number 11 in good handwriting, students.